Hi, my name is Jorge Rojas. This is my postal. Hello, Remo. I am in Italy, more especially in the city of Rome. I come in vacation with a group of friends. I am what used to be a teacher, bitter of Kinos collision and battles, discipline and plays with perform. There are many people in the collision and there is as man who diggers footsteps as a warrior. I am very happy to able to visit this wonderful collection and visit architecture. Architecture. There are also a dog recipe of warrior. The dog is beautiful. I would describe it as so blows work. They are like big because it has been preserved so far and its architecture. But what I don't like is that they use gate for giving and petting and shop, and that for the Vermont Brown you gave me a birthday present. I will go with my favorite dragon shirt. I love you, Mom. Thank you.